Hello YouTubers, let's do an unboxing. I just received a package from switchblade.com. I ordered a switchblade a week ago, and it's a kit. I have to put the spring and all in myself, but let's do this unboxing, see what's going on. Now, I haven't opened it yet. I haven't cut the label off or anything, so you're seeing it just as I am. Let's go to it. Okay. Yeah, I kind of figured there'd be a lot of packaging in it. Okay, and there's the box. There's the number of the blade. So let's see what we have here. All right. Comes in a nice looking little case. And here's the knife. Okay, this was supposed to have been a kit, not a completed switchblade. But that's okay, I'm fine with that. You know, I have no issues with that. Let's get it out of the packing here. Okay. Like I say, it was supposed to have been a kit where I put the handles together after I put the spring in, but looks like it's already been done. It's a nice looking blade. It's sort of a stiletto style. Nice point, sharp. Let's see what kind of action it has. Pretty decent. I like it because there's no button here to get in the way. You know, you can open it several ways. If you want to just open it like a regular knife, you can. And it locks in. You have to push the lever. It's called a lever lock switchblade. But I had one like this 40 years ago. Bought it when I was in the Navy. A nice little action to it. Of course, it's one of these Chinese made. It's not a $500 or $600 American made or Italian made knife. But I like it. Anyway, you can leave a comment in the box below. If you want to know where I got it, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can find it. And it was like $24.95 plus $8.75 shipping and handling, something like that. And it took about 6 days from the time I ordered it to get to me. It came from Colorado. I'm in North Carolina. But nice looking knife. I'll get the blade cleaned off on it. I like the bone handle. It actually feels like real bone handling. But I know it's not for what I give for it. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, ring the bell. Y'all know how that stuff works. Anyway, appreciate you watching.